Chef Jay here.
Today I'll be making seasoned daikon rice. This daikon rice is flavorful and packed with healthy ingredients that will satisfy and energize you. You will need 360 ml of rice, 360 ml of water, 2 centimeters of daikon, 1/2 of carrot, 1 piece of aburage. For the rice seasonings, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sake, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of dashi powder. Step 1. Put rice in a medium-sized pot. Rinse the rice and soak for 30 minutes or more. Step 2. Cut daikon and carrot into small pieces. Cut the aburage into thin strips. Step 3. Drain the water from the rice. Add 360 ml of fresh water and bring to a boil over medium heat. Step 4. Add dashi powder, mirin, soy sauce, sake, and salt, and stir with the rice paddle. Step 5. Place the cut ingredients on the rice. Put the lid on and cook over low heat for 12 minutes. Step 6. Turn off the heat and leave it for another 10 minutes with the lid on. Step 7. Open the lid and gently stir from the bottom. Serve the rice in a bowl and add your favorite side dishes to make a complete Japanese meal. I hope you enjoy this tasty seasoned daikon rice.
Also, sign up for my weekly newsletter and receive a free vegetarian recipe ebook. Go to chefjcooks.com/em/newsletter. Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.